In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean up my Klaviyo. The goal is to quickly identify subscribers who have not engaged with your emails recently, so you can keep your audience organized and improve deliverability over time. We will do this by creating a segment that collects people who have not opened or clicked in the last 90 days, and then exporting that segment to a CSV file. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main navigation. Click on Audience, then choose Lists and Segments. This is where Klaviyo stores the groups you mail to, along with rule-based segments that update automatically as people's behavior changes. Next, click Create List/Segment. In the menu that appears, select Segment. A segment is the right option here because it is dynamic. It will keep refreshing based on the conditions you set, which is helpful for ongoing list hygiene. Now you will name your segment. In the name field, type Unengaged. This name makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you decide to create similar segments for different time windows. After naming it, choose the option called What Someone Has Done. This tells Klaviyo you want to build the segment based on email activity. For the first condition, set Opened Email to 0 times in the last 90 days. This captures contacts who have not opened any of your emails in that time period. Be careful to confirm the time frame is set to 90 days and that the number of times is set to 0, because small changes here can greatly change who gets included. Then add a second condition. Click and choose Clicked Email. Set this to 0 times in the last 90 days as well. Using both conditions together is important. It ensures you are targeting people who have not opened and also have not clicked, which is a stronger sign of inactivity. Once both rules are in place, click Create Segment. Give Klaviyo a moment to generate the results, especially if your account has a large audience. When the segment is created, click Manage Segment, then select Export Segment to CSV. This will download the list of unengaged profiles as a spreadsheet file, which is useful for documentation, analysis, or sharing with your team. Save the file somewhere easy to find and name it clearly so you know what it contains. And that covers everything you need to know.